So hello everyone and welcome to my channel SWARNI'S SUPERB ART. So guys, today we're gonna learn how to apply a banner to your YouTube channel. So let's not waste your time and get into the video. So first of all guys, we are gonna open Chrome, and after opening Chrome, we are gonna search youtube.com. Guys, one more thing that you need to remember is that as you can see these three dots over here, when you click on them, you should be able to see the blue tick in front of desktop site. And then we're going to click on youtube.com once more, and then click on this pencil icon and write features. And then again, just click on the search button. So guys, this is the page that you will see on your screen, and then we have to click on these three lines. Let me just zoom in. These three lines you have to click on, and then click on customization. It's the second last option from the bottom. It will open on layout guys, but you have to go to branding. And then this is the page guys where you can put your icon, your channel icon and your channel banner. And then here I'll just remove this one, I don't want this one. And then I'll click on upload. This is the type of screen that you guys will get. We'll click on upload. This is the type of page that should open guys. Then you can select on any image that you want and click on done, and then you can see whatever you want to see over here and click on save. And then remember guys, you have to click on the publish button. It is on the top right corner. It's most important to click the publish button. If you don't click it, then your changes will not save. And after your changes are saved guys, you will receive a small notification. And with the help of that notification, you can just straight go to YouTube and see what your channel looks like now. So see guys, now we have put our banner, and soon we'll also put our logo over here. So thank you for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and bye.